Alright, let's dive into the nuts and bolts of this project. We're talking about the installation of a serious piece of machinery here, a lift. First, you see the motor and pulley system, the heart of the whole operation. Then, a peek down the empty shaft, giving you a sense of the scale. Workers are making tiny adjustments, ensuring everything is aligned perfectly. Finally, we see it move for the first time, slowly rising. Now, let's see this thing in action. Someone presses the button, and the platform starts to descend. We get a good look at the cables and guide rails as it moves. Then it goes up again, showing how the pulleys work in sync. And of course, a little shout out to the brand, Optimus Elevators, right there on the platform. Time to put this lift to work. A worker loads boxes onto the platform, stacking them carefully. One last box, and we're ready to go. Watch as the loaded platform smoothly ascends, carrying its cargo upwards. Then, the empty platform returns, ready for the next load. Pretty cool, right?